Now we have completed the ledger and their balances. I'll close this, and to extract the trial balance report, I'll go to reports and click on accounts. Now as soon as I click on accounts, you will find many tabs for different reports, and accounting tab which has a lot of reports. Now one good thing about MYOB software that its reporting is very detailed. So you will find all types of relevant reports in MYOB. So to extract the trial balance, I'll click on this trial balance and just double click on it. And first of all, we have to select the period. Either we need to extract from January to February, or let's say December. So it will automatically select 1st of January to December. And the financial year is current financial year, that is this year. Click on display. Now let's reconcile this total balances. On the debit side, we have 5478539, and similarly on credit side, we have the same balance. Now if we check back from our assignment, we have the same balance. That means we have successfully entered all the ledgers balances correctly. So this is perfect report. So you also must have this balance. If there is any difference, you might have a difference in any ledger. So you can check the detail by just double clicking it. When you see this microscope sign, just double click and select the relevant period, and you will get that balance. Now for example, if you have made a mistake in any of the balance and your total is not the same as mine, so you cannot just directly edit by double clicking it, because double clicking shows only the transactions during the year. And since it is an opening balance, you have to close it and go to that account list section and find the relevant account. Just double click on it, and then you can change the balance from here. So that's how it is done. Now similarly, if I extract this trial balance report again, I'll click on accounts. Let's click on trial balance. Here we can set the period details, and in the finishing we have multiple options. You can use include 0.00 as a balance. That takes 0.00 up to 2 decimal places. Round the whole dollar. Include account numbers means if you want to include the account numbers with ledger name, so you can do that. If you want to round some figures which are in points, it will automatically round the dollar. Add to reports menu, and many other options are there. You can explore it by your own. So this is how we extract trial balance report in MYOB.